going to go over the devil press. This can be a very challenging movement. It is a full body movement. Not only works the back, but also works the core, works a little bit of the legs as well as the shoulders. And for this, you will need a pair of dumbbells. Okay? So to perform these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop to the floor into a burpee position and jump the legs back, press the chest to the floor, jump up, and then you can either use a dumbbell clean and jerk to get it up, or you can use a double snatch motion. That right there is the devil press.